Hey, so it's the end of the day on a Saturday. It's been a really good day, really nice day. I started off this morning trying to, well, before my client had come in, I was already ready. I had my mask on and I was getting going. I decided I wanted to try something a little bit different with a pin curl set using no product in it, no mousse or anything, just a leave-in conditioner. And I grabbed my mannequin, which actually, this particular mannequin I had just conditioned it or treated it a couple of days before, so it felt really soft. So I thought, I'm not even going to put anything on it, no conditioner at all. And I did just a real soft pin curl treatment effect. That's what I want to show you, because sometimes you really want to try something different, but it doesn't need to be like curly. It can just have body. Yeah, that's what this does. It has body. So, hey, let's get right to it. I think you're going to like this. So, you know what we should have? We should have an introduction. Here we go. First, let me begin by apologizing. My green screen experience and skills are very, very, very basic. So, first I take a top section that is basically triangulated, and on dry hair, I dampen it just a little bit and do a large pin curl. Now I'm running this from the crown to the forehead in a basically kind of triangulated section. You're going to see exactly my partings as I go along, but here's the thing. Your partings only need to have the feeling of a triangle. They do not need to be specific beyond that. So don't overthink it. Just make sure that it's angled down pretty good and that the hair is just slightly damp. If you put a mousse or a gel on first, it's going to give you a firmer end result, and if you do it, and you don't, if you do it with a conditioner like I am here, you're going to get a much softer result. Nice change of pace, I have to admit. So I comb out the section, clean it out as it were, and then just basically take and give it a little bit of water, pin it up, and then clip it to the hair, or roll it up and then clip it to the hair. So just a tiny bit of water. You could use spray and conditioner if you wanted to. If your hair was thick and coarse, or if your hair is very, very fine, you could use a very light gel spray. So I grab the crown section, do the same thing. It can be done standing or laying flat. These I'm doing mostly flat because this mannequin's hair is about medium in texture and thickness, and so I don't want it to stand up too much. I want it to be modern and soft looking. So just grab those little sections, clip them on in. And this reminds me, later on I'm going to show you a technique how I do this only with a flat iron, and you get pin curls with a flat iron. That'd be nice. Anyway, okay, so I go in through here, do the same thing. I'm just going to wrap all of them up from here on out. Okay, so by now you're noticing that I'm using really, really large sections. The reason for that is because I want such a very loose response to the hair, and so I encourage you to do the same thing. That is to say, if you want very loose sections. Let's say, for instance, in playing with this technique, you decide, well, I want to get, I want a tighter, smaller, or more pronounced kind of a curl. How would I do that? Well, just cut these sections in half, or cut them in thirds, or cut them in quarters. Just do them smaller. You're going to get a more pronounced response. But if you're looking for soft and extremely easy to do, this is a great way to achieve that and to get a very nice, soft, finished end look. Okay then, here's my basic end product when it comes to the set, the pin curl set. Just really nice and soft, nothing really intense or extreme. If you want them to be large but a firmer curl, one way to do that is to pin them flatter, otherwise leave them soft. When all finished, drop all the curls off the clips, shake it on out, not quite like this. Anyway, shake it on out and you get a very soft curl or wave texture. So it looks really, really pretty. Again, I apologize for the green screen part of it. That's what's causing the cast. I'm not skilled enough to remove that yet, but I'll get there. Give me time. Okay, so now let's activate more curl, more body. Let's use our Kinder Volume Spray or any firm hairspray that you prefer to use, and then taking your fingers, don't grab it with the palm of your hands, but your fingers, just take and gently spray it and gently push into the texture with your fingers. And notice that the very soft, wispy reaction it gives the hair. A nice alternative to curl and very easy to do.